Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a first degree with two variable equations. Okay, so a system of equation basically. So if I'm looking at this example here, I have 2x plus 3y equal to 4 and 5x plus 6y equal to 7. The way that we are going to solve it normally by hand is to multiply. So let's say I want to cancel out the y, so I'll multiply the first equation with 2, right? So what I get here is going to be 4x plus 6y equals to 8. So I'm multiply everything by 2, and the second equation is 5x. I'll just recopy that. So now I have the 6y to be the same thing. So all I need to do is I subtract this whole equation. So 4x minus 5x, which is minus x, and 6y minus 6y is going to be 0y, and 8 minus 7 is going to be 1. Okay, so x is going to be minus 1. Once I solve for x, I just need to plug it back into the original function, one of the equation, and to find out what is y, right? So I'll change my color here. I'll use blue here. Then 2 times minus 1 plus a 3y equals to 4, right? So I have a minus 2 in front, so I put it on the other side. So 3y equals to 4 plus 2, which is 6. So y is going to be 2, right? So y is going to be 2. So this is basically my answer for this system of equation. So first degree with two variables. Now, if I want to use my calculator, okay, the Sharp EL-506TS, then I'm going to do mode. You see the arrow here, so I can just push down the arrow, equation, so 2. Now, 2 value and 3 value, because in my other video, basically I solve for the quadratic function or the cubic function, right? So in this case, to solve the system of equation, then we use 2 value or 3 values. So 2 value is for 2 variable, 3 value is for 3 variables. So I have 2 variables, so I'll choose a 0. Now what is my 8? So remember, it has to be x aligned, y aligned, and the constant number on the other side of the equation, it has to be in this order. Okay, so A1 would be my 2 in this case. B1 is my 3 in this case. Now C1 is 4 in this case. Now A2 is my second equation, the coefficient of x, which is 5, and then my coefficient of y, which is 6, and then my constant number on the other side of the equation, which is 7. So I press down enter. So my x is going to be equals to minus 1. So this is what I got before, right? And then I click enter again, or equal sign again. Then my y is equals to 2. So this is how we solve a system of equation with two variables with the calculator Sharp EL-506TS. So if you like the calculator I'm using here, you can always go on Amazon. There's a link that I put down in the description. You can always click on that and you get exactly the same model as what I have here, which is EL-506TS. EL-506TS, and this is Sharp. Okay, so if you like this model, you can always buy that using the link below.